Large Language Models Tutorial. Large language models, LLMs, are advanced artificial intelligence models capable of understanding and generating human language. This tutorial will provide an overview of LLMs, including their architecture, training process, capabilities, and applications. Here is the outline of the tutorial. What is a large language model? Architecture of large language models. Training large language models. Capabilities and applications. Advantages and limitations. Practical usage. Conclusion. 1. What is a large language model? A large language model, LLM, is an AI model designed to process and generate human language. These models are trained on vast amounts of text data and can perform a variety of language-related tasks. Key features. Deep learning architecture, typically based on transformers. Extensive training data, includes books, articles, and websites. Large number of parameters, billions or trillions of parameters. Versatile capabilities, can handle text generation, translation, summarization, etc. 2. Architecture of large language models. LLMs are primarily built using the transformer architecture. Here's a breakdown of the key components. Components. Embedding layer converts words into vectors. Encoder processes input text and generates contextualized representations. Decoder generates output text based on the encoded representations. Transformer architecture. Component. Description. Embedding. Converts words into numerical vectors. Multi-head attention. Allows the model to focus on different parts of the input sequence. Feed-forward neural network. Processes the attention outputs to make predictions. Layer normalization. Normalizes the outputs to stabilize and accelerate training. Positional encoding. Adds information about the position of words in the sequence. 3. Training large language models. Training LLMs involves processing vast amounts of text data to learn language patterns. The training process can be summarized in the following steps. Training steps. Data collection. Gather diverse and extensive text data. Pre-processing. Clean and tokenize the text data. Model initialization. Initialize the model with random parameters. Training. Adjust the model parameters using optimization algorithms like Atom. Fine-tuning. Refine the model on specific tasks or datasets. Training phases. Phase. Description. Pre-training. Train the model on a large corpus to learn general language patterns. Fine-tuning. Adapt the model to specific tasks or domains using smaller, task-specific datasets. 4. Capabilities and applications. LLMs have a wide range of capabilities and applications. Capabilities. Text generation. Create human-like text based on prompts. Translation. Translate text between languages. Summarization. Summarize long documents into concise versions. Question answering. Provide answers to questions based on context. Applications. Chatbots and virtual assistants enhance customer support and user interaction. Content creation. Generate articles, stories, and marketing content. Language translation. Facilitate communication across languages. Information retrieval. Improve search engines and knowledge bases. 5. Advantages and limitations. Advantages. Versatility. Can perform multiple language tasks. Scalability. Handle large datasets and complex tasks. Contextual understanding. Understand context and nuances in language. Limitations. Resource-intensive. Require significant computational power and memory. Bias and fairness. May reproduce biases present in training data. Accuracy. Can produce incorrect or nonsensical outputs. Sensitivity to input. Small changes in input can lead to different results. 6. Practical usage. Using LLMs in practical applications involves several steps. Steps to use LLMs. Select a model. Choose an appropriate LLM, e.g. GPT-3, BERT. Access the model. Use APIs or libraries, e.g. OpenAI API, Hugging Face Transformers. Provide input. Prepare and format input text. Process output. Handle and utilize the generated output. Example code, using Hugging Face Transformers. 7. Conclusion. Large language models are powerful tools capable of understanding and generating human language with remarkable accuracy. They have a wide range of applications across various domains, from content creation to customer support. Despite their advantages, it's important to be aware of their limitations and use them responsibly. By understanding the architecture, training process, and practical usage of LLMs, you can leverage their capabilities to enhance your applications and projects.